Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our jQuery video tutorial. Today we will learn about the stop method in jQuery, which help us control animation efficiently and prevent stacking issues. So let's get started. So first of all, what is the stop method in jQuery? The stop method is used to stop an ongoing animation before it's complete. Without this, multiple animation can stack up and cause laggy or unexpected behavior on your website. So why use the stop method? Stop animation immediately. It prevents animation from stacking up, and the provides better control. Avoid wanted animation loops. Now it works with all jQuery effects like fade, slide, animate, and etc. So how does the stop method work? Here is the syntax. You can see here it's a dollar selector dot stop, and we have a parameter like clear queue and jump to end. Now you can see here is the selector we use here, id selector, class selector, or text selector, what we want to add. Now it's a stop method here. Now here is the clear queue. So it's clear pending animation false, its default keeps them. Then the next is jump to end. So it's jumps to the final state of the animation. False, its false default stop at the current position. Now here is the tip. If no parameters are provided, stop will just stop the current animation. Here is the example of using the stop method. So first example is our stopping an animation midway. Now you can see here is this example, start and stop an animation on a div. Now here is the syntax. Now you can see here we use a dollar box dot animate with 300, then it's 3000 second millisecond. Now you can here click functions, that box dot stop method we use. Here we use animate method, and here we use stop method. Now what happens, clicking start animation makes box expand, then the clicking stop animation immediately stop the animation midway. Now we open our code editor here. Now you can see here we use a div, then we use two buttons, one for start animation and one for stop animation. Here we use now you can see here we use animate method, and here we use stop method on this button. Now when I click on start animation, now you can see here it's animation, it animate start. Now when we refresh this, now you can see here when I start it's start, then when I stop it's stop. Now the second is stopping an animation and clearing the clue. Now you can see here is the example, stop the animation and remove all queue animation. Here is the syntax, we use hash box, we use box id. Now stop true. Now we open in our code editor. Now you can see here we have div, we have two buttons, start animation and stop animation. Here we use now you can see here we use animate method. Now here we use stop method. Now you can see here what happens, any pending animation will be removed immediately. It's a stop true, clears the queue but does not complete the current animation. And the stop here we use true. So what is this, clear the queue and instantly jump to the final state. Now you can see if you click on that, now you can see and we stop, it's directly jump to the end. Now we give a tip like use stop true if you want to avoid partially animated elements. Now the third is stopping an animation and jumping to the end. Now here is the example, stop an animation and jump to its final state. Now you can see here we use a stop, false and true. Now we open in this in our code editor. Now you can see here we use style, custom style, then we use one div for box. Now we use two buttons, like first for animation and second for stop animation. And here is our JavaScript code. Now you can see here we use animate, like width, height, left, 200, 300. Now you can see here we use animate methods here. Now here we use stop method. Now you can see we gave false and true. Now if we click on the start button, the clicking start animation triggers it's a three animation in sequence with expand to 300 pixel, height expand to 200 pixel, and it's moved by 200 pixel left. Now you if we click on stop animation, now the current animation instantly complete, the next viewed animation continue. Now you can see here if we stop, now you can see here it's automatically go the left side. So let's quick recap what we learned today. The stop method pauses running animation. Stop to removes pending animation from the queue. Stop falls to jumps to the final animation state. It helps prevent animation stacking issues and improve performance. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.